Witchcrafts. While I'm just waiting for my latest piece of artwork to dry, I thought I would just open this one quickly that arrived yesterday. I'm slightly confused because one arrived not that long ago, which I unboxed, which I will leave a link to as a card in the top right hand corner. So this must be June's box, and the one I reviewed before must have been May's box, which means the one before that would have been April. Anyway, this is June's box, and slightly different this month. That this one is in aid of the Marine Conservation Society, and £1 per box sold is being donated to the conservation of the seas, coasts and marine wildlife. Slightly disappointed it's got a little bit damaged in the post, which is a bit of a shame, but there we go. So let's have a look and see what we've got this time. So if you don't know what PaperGang is, it's a monthly subscription box of stationery items, and there's a theme every month, and they will plant a tree for every 4 boxes that they make. So it's always full of lovely things. This is a stationery pack rather than art supplies. So let's have a look at what we've got. So the first thing I see is a pin badge. This is, it looks like a, I think it's called a narwhal, which I didn't even realise were real. I thought it was a made up mythical creature, but that's a lovely enamelled pin badge. Now we've got a little pouch with various sharks and sea creatures on. It's very nice canvas, quite thick. And what have we got in here? Oh, we've got some metal reusable straws, because obviously, as we know, plastic straws are evil. So those are lovely. Have a look at the little booklet in a minute. And then you get a month card, which I always stick into my bullet journal. These are really useful. We've got some stickers, so some really nice sea creatures, and there's a starfish and some seaweed and things. Very nice. This is lovely. This has got little sparkles. There is no planet B. That is very true. Lovely. And then lastly we have a beautiful notebook, which is the same design as the stickers. It's got a lovely deep green background, and the same beautiful cute little sea creatures, and that is lined paper on one side and plain on the other. So that's a lovely little notebook. So let's have a look at the little booklet that you get, which explains everything. So it lists what the contents of the box is and shows you what their recommended retail value would be. This is a UK based company, but I believe they do ship internationally as well. So this is some information about the Marine Conservation Society, and some information about single-use plastic. And then this is the illustrator, Jack Carter, this month. So he is working on, and then some information about a new quarterly subscription box that they're launching, which is going to be art-based supplies rather than stationery. And then refer a friend. Very nice. Really like this month's box. I'm quite passionate about recycling and conservation and environmental issues, so this is great. These are fantastic, these metal straws. I will probably put those in the car, I think, and we'll take those out when we go out and about. If you would like to get your own subscription box, I will put a link to the website down in the description below. I have now reached my 100 subscribers. I've gone past 100 subscribers, but if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you'd like to do so, then please go ahead and hit subscribe. And also, if you ring the notification bell, then you can be sure to not miss out on my competition video, which will be coming out next week, when I'll be giving away some lovely watercolour art supplies. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!